let's talk about mindset. Going into this school, I want you to have a mindset that the people who were working at that school before you were doing the best they knew how to do. And if they knew better, they would have done better. And for whatever reason, the school is in the condition it is because of decisions that were made. Don't go in there judging the decisions that were made, at least not publicly. You might be saying in your head, holy, what were they thinking? Just don't say that. Go in going, okay, tell me about how this happened, or tell me the history of the thinking, or who decided this? Okay, do you know what they were thinking when they decided this? And you can ask the same question in a non-judgmental way as you can that same question in a judgmental way. And so just to open into questions. And remember, you're looking for solutions. You don't have time to deal with the drama and the politics and all that. Solutions. Tell me about it. This is obviously a problem because you're going to identify a bunch. Okay, there's the problem. Tell me the history. All right, let's go. Here's the solution. Or here's the first